Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
What's a codicil, people that are here right now? Tell me what a codicil is right quick. Can somebody tell me what a codicil is? I'm going to come back for these comments. What's a codicil? Come on. What's a codicil? If you don't know, do some research right quick. What's a codicil? Codicil. C-O-D-I-C-L. What is it? Codicil. What is it? The link to join is notaryeducatorsllc.com to join membership. They said we need more men in the group. We do. We have about 5 men. They just don't come out. Last night, 2 did, but they wouldn't show their face or participate. So we do have about 5 men. And we need more notaries, actually. More men notaries. I'm trying to get Jeffrey to come on. So a codicil, one more second. What is it? And I'm going to tell you what it is if nobody tell me. What's a codicil? And then I'm going to get the rest of your comments. What is a codicil? Can somebody tell me what it is? If you did this state training, you might know. Or if you don't know, look it up. What is it? That way you won't forget it. Now I'll never forget what it is. What's a codicil? No takers? 2 seconds. Codicil. What is it? What is a codicil? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. The Black Oracle says document that will change or revoke part of a will. Yes. Denise says it's used to change your will. Yes. Lori W. allows you to make changes to your will so you will never forget what a codicil is. So when your client calls you now, looking for the gems, Black Oracle, I'm glad you looked it up. And that's what I want you to do. If you don't know something, look it up. Even in the group, I'm teaching you to be more resourceful. You don't have time to call me and say, hey, Kimmi, can I do a codicil? No, you need to be resourceful. So kudos to everybody that had to look it up. Okay? I'm not mad at that. Thank you for being honest. But I'm not mad at that. That's what I had to do. I'm the notary educator extraordinaire, and I didn't know what a codicil was. I had never heard of it before. Okay? Never heard of it. So kudos. Yeah, that's what I want you to be, resourceful. Get your money. And that might mean looking it up. Okay? That's exactly what a codicil, though. To make a change to a will. Very good. So that's the gem of the night. What's a codicil? Okay? All right, let's get your comments right quick. Here we go. Can I join the group? Yes, you can. We already talked about that. notaryeducatorsllc.com is open to all states. That's a good question. People always say, well, how's it open to all states? If you're a notary, you're a notary. If you're a notary. If you're a doctor, you're a doctor. You're a doctor. I always say, if you're a doctor, you don't have to work on a woman, man, baby, and all that. A body is a body. If you know what to do with it, you know how to be a doctor, okay? Now, can you specialize in some things? Yes. Even as a notary. All notaries don't do apostilles. All notaries don't do ink fingerprinting. All of them don't do I-9s. Now, I teach you to do all that because I believe in having a well-rounded business, okay? So I want you to be able to do all those things. Will you learn them all in one day? No. Do I have a course on all of them? Yes. And they're real courses. Again, they're not just watered down YouTube videos. Because my videos are not even watered down, okay? All right, let's get it. Emmanuel says, but I'm living in New York, just want to learn with you. You can learn with us. You can learn with us. Again, notaryeducatorsllc.com. All right? And doesn't matter what state you're in. I actually have a book for all 50 states. Each state has their own book. how to start your notary business in New York, how to start your notary business in Kentucky, how to start your notary business in Florida. Okay, every state got their own book. So check out the book if you have not. It's also available in Notary Educators. Eliana says it's for my tax business locally. Okay, I'll Google it. Okay, cool. Terry J says, I asked ChatGPT, it gave pretty good names for a business. Yes, you can do that. And always make sure no one else has your name, okay? I was talking about one of my clients, and he had a name. He loved that name. He was attached to it. But somebody else had his name. Somebody else. And somebody else had your name. If I'm pulling up Snoopy Notary, and everybody in Florida got Snoopy Notary, but I'm in Michigan trying to say Snoopy Notary, and when I pull it up, the person in Florida pops up, I'm changing my name. Okay? Do a deep dive search before you pick a name, because if somebody else has it, I don't care if they're in a different state. Some people will say, well, they're in a different state. I don't think statewide. I think nationwide. Okay? Because people will call you to do apostilles, and if they're looking for a certain name and the other state pops up, it's not good. There's no way somebody should be pulling up my name. Well, I wouldn't mind if they pull up my name in another state, but I don't want to pull up their name and there's somebody looking for me. How about that? Okay, Denise says we need more men, and we do need more men. We got, like I said, we got 5, but they don't come out. The link is Notary Educators. So we got the topics there, what covered what that is. Nashville is my place. Nashville, White Castles, Dave Ramsey. Yes. That's my boy too, Dave Ramsey. Codicil, C-O-D-I-C. Is it I-C-L? Codicil. Starts with a C, C-O-D. Terry J says, you are correct. We have to be self-educators. Yeah, because even I can't give you everything. I try my darndest, though. I really do. I really do. Trakita, what's up? What's up? Hey, me too. We should learn together. So she's talking to the Tennessee people. Lori says, expand the section under Kimmi's picture and it will show you all things Notary Educators with Kimmi. Great point. Emmanuel, any discount code to join the group? No, there is not. Nope. And I have thought about it before, but I don't think it's fair to the people that are in the group. I don't. Not to mention that price is so low, Emmanuel, I'm not going to discount it. I can't. Now that I'll have to say a firm no on. Yeah, because it's already priced. I mean, you get 15 courses plus live training weekly for $47. If you find it somewhere else, let me know. We're not price matching, but I know you won't find that. And it's just the best program. I know that for a fact. I know that. So yeah, but come on and learn with us. Again, there's no commitment. You know, we don't want you to leave, but you can leave at any time though. You're not held prisoner, okay? A few more minutes. Any other questions you all have for me? Any other questions? Any other questions? I saw something pop up. The Black Worker Trakita. I've been looking for someone to train with. I would be happy to meet up. Okay, so y'all gonna try to train each other. That'd be good. Y'all be careful of meeting up though. I'm just saying I don't have anything to do with that, but I just always like people to be cautious, all right? This, you know, you just gotta be cautious in the world we live in. But yeah. Just be cautious. All right, what else? How long will it take me to be certified if I join? So, Emmanuel, you need to get your certification from your state first, okay? You don't have to join. You can always join. But I always say it's like driving a car and you ain't got a driver's license. You buy a car, but you don't have a driver's license. So, I want you to have your commission first and then come and join mentorship. Okay? That's how I like you to do it. Does that cost me money in the long run? Not really, because if you're not ready for it, you're not ready for it. I want you to join when you're ready for it. I don't want anybody to do anything they don't want to do. Never, because it's more work for me. When you join mentorship, I want you to know that that's the best way you could be spending your money. That's the best $47 you're going to get for that month. Okay? So I don't want you joining just because. I don't.